Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove SiriusXM from your car. First, you have to cancel your subscription. If you have an active SiriusXM subscription or trial, cancel it first to avoid future charges. Visit the SiriusXM website, log in, and cancel online. Or call SiriusXM customer service during business hours for help. If you're on a free trial, you can simply let it expire naturally without renewing. Next, turn off SiriusXM on your radio. Most vehicles let you switch between audio sources. Use the source or mode button on your radio to choose FM, AM, or Bluetooth instead of SiriusXM. Some radios remember your last source, so make sure to set it to your preferred audio before shutting off your car to stop SiriusXM from autoplaying next time. Reprogram or disable SiriusXM if possible. Check your car's owner's manual to see if you can disable SiriusXM or remove it from the source list. Look under Advanced Settings or Audio Settings. If your radio doesn't allow complete removal, simply avoid using SiriusXM and consider muting or covering the button if needed. And finally, avoid unauthorized tampering. Do not try to physically remove or hack your car's radio or SiriusXM hardware. Doing so may void your warranty or break service terms. Stick to official cancellation and system settings to legally stop using the service. And that would be all for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.